Welcome back to Technologies. In this video, I am going to show you how you can, where you should go to be able to activate an external SSD hard drive that your computer is not allowing. What you do should is go to the Windows and we are going to place disk manager. Okay, and my help view appears differently on your computer here. In my case, I don't know currently disk SSD available. In addition, do the our computer has, but that we're going to do is will appear down here disk 1 or disk 2. You are going to press the with click right and it will appear that's new order. So once you press it, you will go to the next and you put the name that will be able. It's very quick and simple. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe in your always reliable technologies.